So let's open the box and see the contents inside it. So I'm showing you just the specifications. It contains a 7-inch display. You can pause and read it. So let us first open the box and let's see that what Prabhak has kept for us. So here firstly we get a tablet and it's in pink color. It really looks nice. Let us see other contents of the box. So firstly you get a 10-watt charger, a normal charger which you can charge your tab within 1 hour. Then you see a data transfer cable. Let us see that which type it is. I think a type A cable. So yeah, it's a type A cable. And let me show you the charger cable also, that it is also type A, means it does not support type C, but in this range we cannot expect it. And here's we get an OTG which you can connect for your mouse and keyboard. It's also type A. Then you just see a user manual, that is tablet computer series user manual. Then you see a scratch guard which looks nice and glossy, and it is not a screen guard, it is scratch guard. So let us all keep these all aside and come to our tab. So let me remove the poly from it. So yeah, it's look much glossy and shiny. It is a big tablet in hands, and back you can see a Prabhak branding, a speaker. So let us see. If I talk about the front camera, it contains a 2 megapixel front camera, and if I talk about back, it contains a 2 megapixel back camera with Prabhak branding and a speaker. If I talk about the display, it contains a 480p HD display. If I talk about the gaming in this tablet, it's very smooth and efficient. As I'm showing you some of the screenshots or the screen recorder of the game, you can see some lag because there is an FPS difference, but I don't feel any lag while playing the games. So yeah, you can play some small games up to 200 400 MB, not more than that, very fluently and smoothly on this tablet. So you can play games. If I talk about the entertainment, it contains YouTube Go, not YouTube. So it's a lighter version of YouTube and it's very smooth. So let me play a video and let us know. So it contains a high quality option also. So let us play it. I'm just showing you a video and it's very clear. Let me go to the landscape mode for further. So let's switch to the landscape mode. Yeah, it's very clear and shiny. The brightness is very good. I think that it's almost 400 nits brightness, and it's good enough for you to just scroll out YouTube. It contains a Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz, a Bluetooth which is at a good range, and you can connect even earphones, a flashlight, an auto rotate feature, and a data saver also. If I talk about the battery, it contains a 3000 mAh big battery. If I talk about the charging time of this tab is 100% in 1 hour. So this video is sponsored by Prabhak Tech Solutions, a non-stop way for all your needs. Here you can explore out much softwares for your school to manage your faculties like teachers, library, transport. You have to watch it out. So I'm giving a link in the description. You can check it out from there, and it's really nice and efficient tool. You can contact Prabhak. I'm also giving some of the links of Prabhak, so you can go and check out. If I talk about the available colors, so it contains a silver, black, and golden color. So if you are planning to buy a big 8 or 10-inch tablet, so Prabhak is also launching that tablet next month. So you can go and check out, and if it launch, I will put the link in the description. You will get unboxing on my channel. So if I talk about the price of this tab is only 3,499. You can get it from Amazon with all its color available. So I'm giving the link also. Please check it out. So if I talk about the honest opinion of this tab, that you should buy this tab or not, is it worth it? So yeah, it's worth it. You should buy this tab. In this range you are getting much more features than the other. You're getting much color options also, and a big 7-inch display with 1 GB RAM of 16 GB storage, a big storage to store all your photos, videos, and to play games, to take online classes. It's very good. So if you're planning to buy a tablet that and you don't have the budget more than 4 to 5,000, you can go this. So we are doing a giveaway of this tab, not the one. Yeah, I'm saying correct. We are not doing a giveaway of only not one. We are gonna do the giveaway of two tablets. Let me show you the second tablet also. So I'll the second tablet is also in the pink color. So I'm just showing you what you have to do. You have to subscribe a channel, go all through the product links in the description. We'll get a Google form. Just fill out all the details, and if you're the lucky one, we will contact you and we will deliver the tab to you at no extra cost. So this is only the rules of the giveaway. Just go down the link and do all the procedure which I told you, and you will get some of the instructions in the description also. So I think that you understand and will go and check out. So in this video, this much only. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and tell us in comment that what you want next from us. Thank you.